I'm going to talk about the battle between two green monsters. Actually, these two monsters are not big at all. They're just tiny microscopic cyanobacteria. But the bad effects they have on our drinking water supplies can be monstrous. I come from China. You have probably seen the left bottom photo of Lake Taihu, the third largest freshwater lake in China. It looks like a green blanket covering the water surface. Now I'm introducing you monster number one, Microcystis aeruginosa. In 2007, there had a very big bloom in this lake, caused the water so toxic and dangerous to drink. The bottle of drinking water rose from 12 cents to 50 cents per liter overnight. This doesn't sound like much, but if you need water to drink, bath, and cook, that added up. And this disaster lasted for more than 2 weeks for the 2 million people who lived there. I was 18 at that time, and it had so big effect on me that I've come to study them. Everyone asked me why you came to Australia and studied the blooms. Australia, the water seems very clean, and we can safely drink the tap water. But monster number two, Cylindrospermopsis raceyboschi, lives in the water here. It is also toxic and can form very large blooms. But it doesn't float, so don't see it. Monster number one also lives in the water here. And for instance, in Brisbane, Lake Samsonville had the two monsters coexisted in the last 15 years. To better manage these two different blooms, my research asked the question, what happens when these two meet with each other? Finally, who will win, who will lose? Both species have different strains that come in different shapes. Microcystis always form large colonies, while Cylindrospermopsis are in coiled and strict trichomes. And they can both highly adapt to the changing environments, but vary with each other. Generally, they have different light and temperature optimum for growth and photosynthesis. As the water mixing, the vertical distribution and the cell physiology are also affected. The most important is all these processes affecting the bloom formation depend more on strains rather than species, which is not well understood, especially when they meet each other in the same lake. So in my project, I'm going to test each of these monsters against each of the factors, light, temperature, and mixing, put them in the model, and predict the outcome of their competition. In the next 2 years, I may probably tell you which of these monsters will win and how to keep our drinking water clean and safe. Thank you.